One of the most common questions we get from business owners, from building owners, is how is this going to affect my roof? And it's a very good question. At the end of the day, solar functions very well in terms of integrating into your existing roof. And there's a couple really important factors that a lot of people are not aware of. First and foremost, the vast majority of systems that we're installing, and indeed all the systems we install on flat roofs, are non-penetrating. They are what we call ballasted systems, which means that the solar itself is held in place by its own weight, and we are not mechanically attaching the solar to the roof in any way. So we are preserving the integrity of your roof, we're not penetrating that roofing surface, and we're not making any holes in that roof. There's a couple really important things to keep in mind when you're designing solar, ensuring that you're not locating the system and you're not designing the system over areas such as roof drains or skylights or roof vents, roof penetrations that need to remain clear, that are the areas which are most prone to leakage. You want to keep adequate setbacks and you want to keep an adequate distance from those vents and those roof drains, and also from roof seams and expansion joints in the roof as well. When solar is designed right and it's installed right, there's very little risk to the roof. And indeed, solar can actually help extend the life of your roof by offering a layer of protection from UV rays, from the elements, etc. So we actually do see extended roof life on roofs that are covered by solar. So what about the weight considerations of solar and the roof? Very early on in the process of designing and building a project, we will look at the structural capacity of the building to ensure that it is capable of supporting the additional load of the solar. On average, solar adds between 2 and 6 pounds per square foot of extra weight on the roof. And the vast majority of buildings are able to handle that additional weight with no problem. I think over the course of 17 years, we could probably count on one hand the number of roofs that we had to reinforce because of solar.
People are making sizable investments in these assets, and it comes down to picking the right people to work with. Make sure that it's people that are in it for the long haul, people that understand what they're doing, and people that are going to have their best interests at heart to make sure that their investment is in good hands.
Experience matters so much in any industry, but particularly in solar. I'm really proud of the fact that at Otter Energy last year, over 40% of our business came from referrals. That's a testament to our customers being happy and being willing to tell others, whether that's friends, family, or co-workers, about their success with Otter Energy.